Dressed in orange, white, and black, the duo is reminiscent of the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard vintage, which will make a comeback in August for its 10th anniversary. Although the Legacy 312's version is not an exact replica of the original, it does have a color blocking that is recognizable to anyone who were around when the Jordan 1 was at its most popular in the late 2010s. The toe box's vivid orange and dark hues combine to create a 1-2 punch effect that is seen across the majority of the upper. Echoing Tinker Hatfield's 1988 design, the adored Air Jordan 3's elephant pattern can be seen along the lower profiles. The Jumpman and Nike branded product has an air unit that is visible at the back portion of the foot. The shattered backboard transition is completed with an orange that resembles a starfish thanks to the tried-and-true outsole design. Enjoy the most recent Legacy 312 low official look up front. Jordan pair should be available on Nike.com by October.